Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today we're looking at a very awesome personal cinema headset, the Goovis G3 Max. I will unbox it and go over the features with you, and then we will test this out. Okay, Goovis sent me this strap, which is the zero pressure headband. And then also this Android TV dongle with the remote. And the G3 Max. And I'd like to thank Goovis for sending this to me. Wow. Look at that, even a get started manual. Very nice packaging. Oh wow, yeah, there's I think that's the USB-C to HDMI adapter. So that's cool, it came with that. Looks so nice, I don't even want to open it. Alright, here's the back. And the headset. See, it's a lot like a VR headset, but it's not VR. It's a huge Imax screen, like 110 inches or something. Okay, this looks like another strap, but they sent this, so I'll be putting that one on. Here's the USB-C cable. And the adapter. It has DC in and Type-C, and it goes out to HDMI. And here's the little HDMI hookup. So that's awesome. And I may want this getting started guide too. Oh, there's a lens cleaning cloth. Very good. Let me put that somewhere. All right, let's see what this strap's got. Oh, it's got a whole other unit to put back there. Wow. And some very soft straps, rubber. Okay, so I kind of put this together. It just fits on latches on each side. And then you can adjust it for your head size. And this is for the inside of this if you need more padding. So now I'm going to hook it up to the main part and I'm going to try it out. I just finished watching a movie on this headset and the picture is huge and impressive to me. The sound could be a bit better, but it has an audio jack and you can always use Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So my AirPods Pro made it sound like I was actually in an IMAX movie theater, so it was a very good experience together. Speaking of an IMAX, it is an IMAX level personal cinema. G3 Max transforms any space into a private IMAX theater, offering the sensation of sitting in the best seat in a cinema. Connect it to a D4 player, TV box, smartphone, or PC to enjoy stunning visuals on a large screen with comfortable wear, making it perfect for extended viewing sessions anywhere. The G3 Max has a wide range precise diopter adjustment. The Goovis G3 Max offers a diopter adjustment range from negative 7.00D to plus 2.00D, accommodating most nearsighted and farsighted users without the need for any additional corrective lenses. The Goovis G3 Max supports both side-by-side 3D and Blu-ray 3D content, delivering a stunning glasses-free 3D experience. It provides an immersive cinema-grade 3D experience that draws users into the scene. Goovis G3 Max features a low blue light micro OLED screens and advanced virtual image technology to reduce eye strain. Its magnification and long distance simulation shifts the focal point to a distant virtual image, making it feel like watching a large screen from afar, similar to a movie theater experience. This helps relax the eye muscles even though the headset is worn close to the eyes without the concern for myopia. Interpupillary distance, or IPD adjustment. The Goovis G3 Max offers flexible IPD adjustment range from 58 millimeters to 74 millimeters, allowing users to fine-tune the headset for their specific needs. The headset is compatible with PS5, Xbox, and PC. The high refresh rate ensures smooth, fluid gameplay with sharp visuals, perfect for both intense shooters and expansive open-world games. The Goovis G3 Max lets you transform any space into a portable cinema. Connect effortlessly to Blu-ray players, PCs, smartphones, or other video output devices. Enjoy premium visuals from any comfortable position. The G3 Max has universal compatibility. It's easily connected to smartphones, gaming consoles, handhelds, PCs, and more for diverse entertainment options. This connects to so many devices, and so I'm going to go over some of the ways you hook those devices up. All right, the first way is this way to an iPhone or iPad with Lightning. And here's a regular way you would usually do it to an Android phone or one of the new iPhones with USB-C. And this is connecting it to the included Android TV device. And here it is with a laptop. So just USB-C, a laptop with USB-C, of course. And here's a laptop that does not have USB-C, just normal HDMI and USB to power it. And yeah, this is actually the way to do it with my included Android TV device. And here's the PlayStation 5 HDMI, and then you use, of course, a Type-C to USB-A. And the switch, same exact thing. So many different configurations. And here it is with the Xbox. Same way. And here it is with a Blu-ray player or 3D Blu-ray player. You can use those devices. And here's if you want to connect it to a USB-C drone remote controller. So you can see your drone on a 1,000-inch screen. And here's if you only have a HDMI type drone remote controller. And you can also cast wirelessly to those. I'd like to thank Goovis for sending me this awesome headset. It was quite the experience. I really enjoyed it. And I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. And if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe. And if you want to know when my next one's coming out, then please click the bell button. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.